Good morning. My name is EJ Saunders. It is December 1st, 2025. Today, I went on a little run today. Just finishing up. And boy, it's so fucking cold. You're gonna have to get a gym membership, baby. Because when this shit starts snowing and it's just more than cold and there's snow on the floor too, yeah, we gotta do something with that. But today, we was looking at the market. The market was looking real bearish. Looked like we selling off today. So, we just gonna see what the market have for us. See what setup to give us. Whatever setup we give us, we gonna take that. See what I saying? Simple as that. No more, no less. But hey, I said we just gonna see what the market have for us. Y'all know we gonna be patient and just take what's ours and nothing more, nothing less. See what I said? Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and share. We going up. The only place is up. You feel me? Just gotta do everything in order to get there. Just hope y'all enjoy. Alright, so this is MNQ on the daily time frame. If you don't know what the daily time frame or time frames are in general, time frames are just a period of time that each one of these candlesticks represents. Alright? So we're on the one day chart right now, right? So each one of these candlesticks represent a day in time, right? And then the same thing for the 4 hour. Each one of these would be 4 hours of time. Same thing for the 1 hour, right? So what we are here to do is do our daily analysis to see what type of trade that we wanna go for, long and short, a buy or sell, same shit. Alright, so we see that our daily candle is a bearish candle. All that, we don't have to worry about all that. We just need to worry about what's right here. We see that we have a bearish candle, a daily candle. So my eyes would tell me, say, let's go for a set, right? My analysis would be hop into a set, right? So I'd have to wait for this low to get broken, but wait for price to come back down, break this low, and then retest whatever recent demand zone that we have, top it, hold it, and come back down and close in my area that I want to take the trade, right? So we just waiting on that. We just waiting on the market, or if it don't, it don't present itself, it don't show, then we're not gonna take it. In this moment of time, we're just gonna sit down and wait and see what we could get from the market, see what the market can show us, and then I'll keep y'all boys tuned in. It's about to be market open. We had a little bit of just, market manipulation, but we about to see this market open right here. So let's see what it do for us. We got to break towards the upside. So our most recent demand zone will be this candle right here. We mark this up. Right, and then we measure it to see how much points, how much we would be risking, right? So 19, let's just do it like this. Do it like this. Nah, let's keep it there. 19, so let's do 20 altogether. That's how you calculate your stuff. 20 times 2, because we on MNQ. And then times how much ever lots you want to put. I'm going to put 3. That's 120, right? So 1 to 1, we'd be risking 120 on this trade. So right now, I'm just waiting on the top and waiting for it to close bullish. Alright, so we got a top.
Top?
Look at that shit. Look at that. That's crazy though. That's crazy. Are we gonna invalidate it? Or are we gonna hold it?
No.
Look like we're holding. Oh, invalidation. Oh, okay. So that got invalidated, cool. And being looking for sales. So it's like, I'm not tripping, I'm not stressing it, I was just watching it. So it's like, okay, it's good to watch some trades and some setups happen too. So we just need to wait for this low to get break. Cause that already showed me like, hey, my shit already getting invalidated. So I'm not looking for no buys. But we right here, we waiting. Eyes on the prize. Alright, here we go. We got our burger structure to the downside. Mark up our most recent supply zone. How much we here on 65. Should that be 400 really? So what I would like to see is price close in this area. I would love to see price this close outside of this zone.
Mom, Dada.
If it don't close outside that zone, cool. We got it validated. It's okay. That's smooth works. At least that we just get to watch it, you know. If we don't like it, we could just watch it and, you know, have an understanding of what the market are actually doing. But we did break high, so, you know, we just gotta break a structure. So we're just gonna wait for price to come back and top our zone, you feel me? So at this point, we just waiting on the market right now, you know. We ain't rushing, I mean, we ain't trying to be impatient. We gonna stay disciplined. We just gonna chill it out. Wait for our setup to come to us. We not gonna run off our setup. We gonna wait for our setup to come to us. But in the meantime, between time, we're gonna go blow something down. Right now, we created a new demand zone, but we just waiting on price to break these highs. How much so far is this demand zone? You know, let's add the bottom wick too, just for precaution. How much is it? 40. Let's say 50. Let's say 50 points on. I'd be risking 300 on this trade. It looked like we about to get invalidated for the third time today. And if you don't know, bro, like, now y'all know, December price auction is like the craziest price auction you can get out of the year. Like, just a heads up, you feel me? But like, it looked like we both there invalidated again. Like, this about to be the third setup that we look at that about to get invalidated. So, like, you know, only thing I could do is just watch. There you have it. That validation again. But hey, at least we being patient. At least we not just jumping into random shit. At least we being, you know, copacetic. See what I'm saying? Cause bro, it's a lot of niggas that's not being copacetic in this market. But we right there, we chilling, we just waiting on another entry. Alright, so we just been waiting. And this zone is 78 for real. But we just gonna wait and see when we get this top. And as soon as we get this top and it close bullish in our direction, we gonna get in. Alright, so I walk away from the screen for like 2 seconds to deal with my churn, you know. I deal with my churn, so I ain't really stressing, right? And I come back and I see we get a top, hold, everything, bro. So I'm like, damn, bro, I just missed my entry, bro. You feel me? So it's alright though. I was like, I ain't watching nothing, you feel me? I was dealing with my churn, so if anything shake, I find another entry. I do, I don't, it's cool. So this is gone. See what I saying? This Nas, I missed this, bro, and it's cool, bro. It's so fucking cool. Bro, I missed this trick, but it's gone, man. I want you to realize that this it's out of 1 to 2 already. See what I'm saying? From current candle stop, look, from the zone, from the current candle stop, right? So 1 to 2. See what I'm saying? I can target these, bro. You target these highs. See what I'm saying? Look, just look, man. They about to go, like, why they about to take it all the way up there? Cause just wait. Yes. Mistreat. TP Smart. See that hand? Right? TP Smart. Mistreat. It's okay. Fuck that. We on to a new trade. We break these highs. This our new demand zone, right? It's still a like, it's a respectable zone. How much? Like, we gotta get that zone solid though. Like, we can't air buy ground with that zone. So we get the top, get the bottom. Okay, it ain't sanctioned up, right? Cool. Smooth. Now we wait. Oh my god, bro. Oh my gosh, boy. Look at that, bro. Just look at that, boy. Fuck that trade carry on bad, but like, look at the carry on, bad boy, son. That's like a 1 to 4 now, boy. Look. Oh my gosh, bro. That's crazy to me. Bro, the fact that I just missed that trade that is crazy to me, bro. The fact that I missed that is actually crazy, bro. Sometimes it happens like that, sometimes you miss trade, other times you get trades. But it's like, me though, I dealing with a churn. You give me a blight. See how you saying? But no, man, we ain't stressing. We ain't watching, how that shit go by black. See how you saying? We could be right here, watching this market, solid buck down. And if we get something, if it presents itself, because like I said, bro, the shit come to us, bro. I just wasn't there. But it definitely came to us. It come out to like a 1.5 big blood. I used current candle stop for my risk point. Because I wasn't risking all that, bro. It would have been like a real nice trade. But we just waiting, holding it down, chilling it up. We can see what presents itself. It look like we about to come back and tap this zone. Now, if we tap this zone right up and hold it, I ain't getting any straight. How much this zone is, I didn't even see real quick. Hold on. I'm so worried about the top. 42.25. Okay, so 250. That hole is on. 250, that hole is on. Okay, that's the top. That's the top. That's the top. Now we just gotta hold it. We just gotta hold it. Alright, I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade. Here we go. Stop gonna be at, we'll stop right here. Risking 240 on this. I could use like current candle stop for it. Use current candle stop for the risk. It's okay, you're fine. If you get hit, you get hit. If you don't, you don't. Okay, what's up? 80, less than $85 on the loss. I take that loss. I feel played. Bro, I feel played, bro, because I was waiting, bro. I was waiting. There's no way I just get played, but I telling all my boys, somebody, look, we about to catch this solid shit. Okay. That's fine. Very fine. What we can do? Come back tomorrow, make sure the shit clean. I ain't play around with Nas no more, boy.